How about this 73 Olds Cutlass Hearst Edition? That is cool. So many of the goodies. Rally Sport wheels. Oh, it's interesting. Does not have the T-tops, but I like the padded vinyl, done like a Coupe de Setica. That is cool. See her shifter right there. It's got the right floor mats. Tilt wheel. Granted, these were not the hairy beasts of yore, but it's still pretty neat to get a Hearst Olds and be able to drive it every day. Not a bad looking car, wouldn't you agree? All sorts of goodies over there. Neat. Interesting location for the clock, but okay, why not?
No, you just gotta say listen.
I like these hood louvers. That's cute. That's definitely cute. It's a Landau style half vinyl top, upper windows, Hearst emblems, digital tachometer, automatic alarm system, Hearst wheels, Hearst air shocks. This car is number 643 of 1,097 built. So what do you think, folks? Now let's see how much we're asking. Do they have a number on there? No, they do not. I'll see if I can find out. Again, 73 Hearst Olds. Beautiful car. Asking $28,500, which really is not that bad. This is for you, Keith. This is a Laguna S3. I know it's not the same year, but this is a 75, 80,000 on it, all original. Neat 350. I like the side window treatments. Yeah, something a little bit different, which is kind of cool. Very straight car. I like it. They did a good job with this. It's got the swivel seats, which is nice. That's locked up, unfortunately. So it's got the red velour inside. Oh, that's unusual. Factory sunroof. Unbelievable. That is a cool option. Let's see how much we're asking for this Laguna.
No, I bought it here. And
you
I
did?
picked it up a few weeks later. So.
Okay, but you signed the deal.
I guessed it
They are
was,
asking $18,500. What do you think, folks? 75 Chevy Laguna S3. How about the 65 Pro Street Vette? This thing is maxed out. I mean, it's mind-boggling what is in this Vette. Look at this. If that is not enough, I mean, this is one very, very serious machine. That's not enough. It's bottle fed. It's got the right side pipes. Look at the meat on the back. Unreal. Unreal. The Hoosiers, let's see if we can get size. 31 by 1850. OR15s. Wow. How deep that dish is. This is one fine fish. 65 Pro Street. Beautifully done. Small block aluminum, Jim Odie, 1,000 horsepower, small block. Oh my gosh. 1,071 on E85 with nitrous. Reed Power Glide with trans brake, 9-inch Ford rear, 456 in the rear, 4-link Ford disc brakes, of course. Mart's all-tube TIG welded chassis. Oh, rack and pinion, C5 Corvette front suspension, Bogart wheels. Way too much to list. Okay, over 250 to build. Take a guess. 125. If you wanted a street machine, here it is, folks.